So in this kind of inequality, you have to remove the inequality in fraction form. So all you have to do is by multiplying the whole inequality by 10, okay? And 10 and 5 is divisible by 5. So cut 5 in there. And then 10 will become 2. And then 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 7 is negative 14. And more than or equal to 3. Then 10, cut 2 there. So 10 will become 5. 5 times 3 is 15. And after that, transpose negative 14 to the right side. So you have 2x more than or equal to 15 plus 14. Then simplify 15 plus 14. So 2x is more than or equal to 29. Then divide both sides of the inequality by 2. So cut 2. So x is equal to, x is more than or equal to 14 and 1/2. And then after that, so you can sketch it. You can sketch the inequality by drawing your horizontal grid or horizontal line, and put your 0 in the middle, then 14 on 1/2 in the right, and negative 14 and 1/2 to the left of 0. So since it is more than or equal to, so you have to draw the shaded circle, and the direction will go to the right. So that's all. Bye.